We bring you the answers to all your questions. Be better than others. Enjoy the benefits of knowledge. Accept the answers from us.
Engine. Walk mower engines range from 140cc to 190cc. Choose a larger engine for tough cutting conditions, such as tall and wet grass, bagging, leaf mulching, or maintenance mowing in which you're cutting down weeds.
Our mission is to provide accurate answers. We think without knowledge, it is impossible to live a balanced life. Be competent, be skillful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification.